My name is Malek from Knack Training, and in today's Everyday Office video, I'm going to show you a fun little trick in Adobe Illustrator. Illustrator is not usually one of the tools we use in the Office suite or for business purposes, but a lot of times we've been tasked with taking on more than our normal job role, and so I want to show you guys an easy way to use Adobe Illustrator to create something interesting, visually compelling. So let's say that I come over here to the side and I click onto my shape tool, and let's just go ahead and grab ellipse and draw a nice simple ellipse like this one. Now over here on the side I can just double click on one of the color tiles here to give it an interesting fill color, and do the same thing with the exterior stroke color. Okay, so now I've got this sort of leaf looking thing. Now if I go up to the object menu, this thing that's sitting on my screen is an object. I can decide to transform that object. I can decide to move it or rotate it or reflect it or scale it or shear it or a little bit of everything. Now the interesting thing here is a lot of times people look at this and ask, why on earth would I feel the need to move using the transform option on the object menu? Why would I feel the need to rotate using this when I can just as easily just come over here and rotate it like so? Woo, it's so exciting, right? But here's the interesting thing that you get by using the object menu and the transform submenu. You get this option right up here at the top for Ctrl D, which means transform it again in the same way. So let's say, for example, that I went to this object menu, to the transform submenu, and I decided to rotate this by, let's say, about 15 degrees, okay? Now the cool thing here is that when I rotate it 15 degrees, I don't have to just rotate it. I can decide to make a second copy of it. So I'll click on the copy button here, and there it is. It's been rotated 15 degrees, and I've made a second copy. And so now the keyboard shortcut Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D, 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 gets you this really nice pattern because you're able to duplicate the transformation very quickly and very easily. So again, try out using just any old shape and using the transform feature on the object menu, and then repeating that transformation regularly to get interesting patterns, reflections, things like that, to create these designs.